Was Fathom just holding up your hair so that if you puke, you don't get it in the bucket? That was so nice of Fathom.
You don't get
That
it
was,
in your tail.
yeah, so you don't get it in your hair. Oh, she is so sweet to you. Oh, Fathom's looking out for you, isn't she? She's worried about you. What a good big sister. Do you want her to set it down? Okay, so say I'm okay for a minute.
He won't. Okay, so
Oh, he's gonna throw up soon, huh? She's got you. Oh, yep. Oh my goodness. Are those hiccups or is that vomiting movements? I think that he might be having hiccups. You think it's vomit, Kaya? Fathom? Mm-hmm.
hiccup.
Oh, hiccup. Hiccup. Whoops. Okay, I think he's okay. Good girl, though, for thinking about that. That is super nice of you. You're trying to take care of him.